Hello everyone, welcome to another Posiflex video. My name is Michael, and today I would like to introduce to you our multi-position folding base. The US patented multi-position folding base is a specially designed pedestal structure of a POS terminal, including a base, a supporting arm, a retaining shaft lever, at least one extension spring, and a display loading plate. This Posiflex multi-position folding base has acquired US patent. Both of XT series and PS series can be supported with this base. The folding base enables users to adjust the screen to a height and angle of their choice, providing unparalleled flexibility. Furthermore, the folding base incorporates a sleek and curved design, enhancing an overall appearance of a POS system and adding a touch of sophistication. The best part is it can be folded into a highly compact size, resulting in reduced packaging materials during delivery and enhanced transportation convenience, highlighting its innovative design capabilities and customer-centric approach, which enhances user productivity and efficiency, ultimately leading to improved overall experience. Not only does the folding base prioritize user comfort, but it also prioritizes ease of use and practicality. Its intuitive folding mechanism allows for effortless storage and portability, making it a perfect fit for businesses. If you'd like to learn more about this product, please visit our website at www.posiflex.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for video updates. Thank you.